Here's how to delete your Messenger account in 2026. Now, I have my Facebook Messenger app open on my iPhone, but this works the exact same if you're on Android or a computer. Let's get to your settings to delete your account. So tap on the menu button at the bottom right, and then tap on Settings at the top, that little gear icon. After you've done that, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom, and we need to get to your account center. So tap at the bottom where it says See More in Account Center. And then scroll down to the bottom again. They recently changed this, so it's not where it used to be. Currently, it's within Manage Accounts at the bottom. So just tap on that. And then next to Facebook, of course, Facebook is associated with Messenger, tap on Manage. And then from here, tap on Deactivation or Delete. Make sure to choose Delete Your Account, which is permanent instead of deactivating, and hit Continue. After you've done that, it'll ask you why you wanted to delete it. It doesn't really matter what you choose here, but they're going to basically ask you or try to convince you to keep it, but you're just going to hit Continue. Scroll down to the bottom and hit Continue. You might want to download your information, and the last step is enter your password in again. After you've done that, just tap on the delete button and you will have permanently deleted Messenger. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that too, and thanks for watching.